Here's the TAC Force Gentleman's Assisted Opener, TF-469. Really like this knife. I've had it for about 6 months now. It's a little heavier than some of the TAC Force knives, but it's really got a great feel to it. It opens up consistently every single time. Never a failure. There's no blade wobble whatsoever, even after 6 months of carry it almost every day, you know. Dropped it a few times, you know. It's just it's a great knife, and it's got a really smooth, good feel to it. I love it.
What are you talking about? You're a good person. You've always been a good person. You're the best person I know.